At the City of Johannesburg headquarters, the city says important documents were stolen from offices of the Chief Whip and the Deputy Chief Whip.
Office furniture and equipment were damaged during the burglary. Forensics are still trying to determine whether any computers or soft copies are missing. CCTV footage reveals a sole figure walking through the corridors, then exiting at the main entrance with bags, files and a torch. Police could not provide details of the stolen items and documents.
The incident happened around about midnight, between midnight and just after 1 a.m. And how the suspect entered the building and how the suspect left the building, that will be investigated. But enough emergency personnel came, or officers came to the scene, and it's currently being investigated. What he took will be investigated. But we can see in the CCTV footage that he is carrying a backpack and that he's carrying other items under his arm and another separate bag, and that the suspect was taking his time when he came in to the office of the Chief Whip.
A 25,000 rand reward is being offered for any information that may lead to an arrest.
It is a concern because for anybody to access my office or the Speaker's office or the Mayor's or any of the political offices, whether it's ANC, DA or EFF or any of the smaller parties, it is a concern because obviously at some point these officials do deal with sensitive information. If laptops are stolen, or any of the electronic equipment that we use, it's a concern because you store a lot of data and issues that you've got to deal with on a daily basis.
The city says it suspects an inside job. The incident comes after a government official stole and returned files relating to the investigation of the controversial 1.3 billion rand Alexander Renewal Project. The Gauteng Department of Human Settlements employee returned 3 documents as well as meeting attendance registers. Ndundu Stole, SABC News, Johannesburg.